Publishers are increasingly seeing advertisers look for guaranteed audiences. So an advertiser will come to them and say, we want to reach males 18 to 24, and we want to pay on the basis of how many of those males 18 to 24 we reach. And from a publisher perspective, that can be tricky because they don't always know which of their audiences fall into that demographic. So they'll continue to deliver impressions and only afterwards find out which of those impressions were actually in target. So we've built out a tool set in conjunction with Nielsen OCR to actually help publishers get insights and forecasting against which portions of their inventory are most likely to deliver the highest proportion of that particular desired audience. And that helps publishers reduce waste and therefore increase efficiency. The methodology that our friends at Nielsen use is through a partnership with Facebook, and that requires a Facebook cookie, a logged in Facebook cookie, to be on that user's browser. So I believe that today it's web-based only, but mobile is, I know, very high on the roadmap. LiveRail is really focused on the publisher side of the market, and specifically publishers who are looking to do programmatic video. So we help publishers to monetize their non-guaranteed inventory more efficiently and do it in a way that is 100% sell-side aligned. So we don't sell media to agencies, we don't build a DSP product, but we partner with all the big networks, DSPs, agency trading desks, and ensure that publishers are able to expose their inventory efficiently and safely to those big buyers. And so that means building out a whole set of tool set focused specifically on the needs of publishers, as well as services and features and functionality that make it kind of safer, more efficient, more effective to sell video programmatically. We're going to remain very, very sell-side aligned. We think it's important for publishers to have effectively vendors that they can really trust to be 100% focused on their needs, not trying to necessarily sell to the buy side. So we're certainly going to remain with that focus, but I think it's about going deeper in terms of things like programmatic guaranteed. So for example, helping publishers to open inventory to programmatic buyers on a guaranteed basis, where there's maybe an upfront commitment to then fulfill programmatically. But also mobile and cross-platform is a big area of initiative for us. So we actually recently released HTML5 RTB capabilities, which is very exciting. We're also updating things like our Xbox integration, iPhone, iPad, making those all RTB capable as well. So effectively enabling publishers to get a completely seamless monetization experience, regardless of where they're delivering their content. We ended last year with almost 300% growth in terms of revenue. The team is now over 100 people. We're actually just opening our UK office, which we're super excited about, kind of return to my roots. So we've hired actually a guy called Yoav Arnstein, who used to run MediaMind, to actually set up our office in London, and we're actually going to be rolling out across Europe over the coming months. So that's a big initiative for us as well.